Hello, my name is Hazel. I'm reporting the news today, and there's a big blizzard. It's 0 degrees here and here, and my family can barely see outside. Now I'm going to get around today. Hello, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to be reporting the weather too. And there is a really, really big blizzard out there. So please, please, please stay inside. It is squeezing out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. Oh, I can barely see out here. What? Oh, okay. I'm just freezing. So please, please stay inside. Thank you. Be inside from the weather girls, and be safe from the weather girls. Bye.